This is a new blower motor for a Freightliner M2, and you may need to replace your old one if it is making all sorts of noise, or sometimes they just get busted. I've seen them all sorts of messed up, people messing with them for whatever reason, or they just get old and they kind of crap out. So what you need to do is get down here, cabin air filter access. There are 3 screws right here, and they are T25. I've already got all of those out, so be sure to put them in the cup holder like I do. This one has some wet junk in it, which is fantastic, but they're already in there. That comes off, and then there is a little tab on the harness right here. You push that in, pull that off. T20s, there are 3 of them here, so you go ahead and take those out, and then you just put the new one in. Pretty easy, and then put the panel back on. This is the old one. I got it off. As you can see, one of the fins there is busted, and it does look like another one is missing. Now, while you have this open, it's a good idea to just wipe this out, get a rag. There's not a whole lot in this one. It's kind of dark. But go ahead and wipe that out because you have access to it. Sometimes you get something floating around in there. Hopefully that's not the case. Sometimes these just crap out, but this one likely was vibrating a bunch because of the busted fin, and then the one missing, it was just going like that. But sometimes they get pretty loose or just straight gummed up. So that's why we're replacing this one. And you just pop that in, and like I said, just reverse the process, put everything back together, and then you're good to go. What I'd recommend before putting the access panel back on is go ahead and start the truck up and run it, and then turn all the way up, and then you will see if the issue, whatever your issue may have been, if that is fixed or not. If not, then you've got some other issue. But if it was something like this, or it's all gummed up, then that will likely have fixed your issue. I can't provide a diagnosis beyond that. That's not the scope of this video. This is just a replacement. So thanks for watching. I hope this helped somebody. Don't drop this on your foot like I almost did. Subscribe if this helped you. I appreciate the watch, and see you later.